Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly your car jerks hard during gear shifts or even gets stuck in a single gear. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and it throws code P0976. This code is related to the pressure control solenoid C circuit low voltage, which means your transmission is struggling to control hydraulic pressure, leading to rough shifting. In this video I'll explain what P0976 means, where the sensors are located and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0976? DTC P0976 stands for Pressure Control Solenoid C, Control Circuit Low Voltage. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, sends signals to the pressure control solenoid C to adjust fluid pressure for smooth gear shifts. If the voltage is lower than expected, the solenoid may fail, leading to slipping, hard shifts, or even limp mode. If the voltage is lower than expected, the solenoid may fail, leading to slipping, hard shifts, or even limp mode. Common symptoms of P0976. If your car has this trouble code, you may notice harsh or delayed shifting, transmission slipping, RPM rises but no acceleration, vehicle stuck in limp mode, won't shift past a certain gear, check engine light or transmission, warning light reduced fuel efficiency. Sensor and component locations. Very important. To diagnose P0976, check these key components. Pressure control solenoid C. Location. Found inside the transmission valve body, accessible by removing the transmission pan. Function. Regulates fluid pressure for smooth gear shifts. Transmission control module, TCM. Location. Typically mounted near the battery, under the dashboard, or attached to the transmission case. Function. Sends voltage signals to control the pressure solenoids. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location. Mounted on the transmission case near the fluid lines. Function. Monitors fluid pressure and reports to the TCM. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit. Location. Runs between the TCM and the solenoid inside the transmission. Function. Transfers electrical signals for pressure control. What causes P0976? Here are the most common causes. 1. Faulty pressure control, solenoid C. A bad solenoid can cause voltage issues. 2. Damaged or shorted wiring. Broken wires can result in low voltage to the solenoid. 3. Defective transmission control module, TCM, can send incorrect voltage signals. 4. Dirty or low transmission fluid, clogged fluid passages can reduce pressure control. 5. Weak or bad ground connections. Poor grounding may lead to electrical malfunctions. How to fix P0976. Follow these steps to diagnose and repair the issue. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. If fluid is low, dirty, or burnt, replace it with the correct ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or broken wires in the solenoid circuit. Repair or replace damaged connections. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid C. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoids. Use a multimeter to check solenoid resistance. Should be between 3–10 ohms. If resistance is too low, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the TCM, transmission control module. Measure the voltage output from the TCM to the solenoid. If voltage is too low, a software update or replacement may be needed. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, erase the P0976 code with an OBD-II scanner. Drive for 10–15 miles to confirm the fix. Final words. If your car has P0976, it means the pressure control solenoid C circuit is receiving low voltage, causing shifting problems and potential transmission failure. Fix it early to avoid expensive repairs.